In this episode, I want us to talk about the Big Bang. Now, in the early 20th century, as Edwin Hubble was studying distant galaxies, he noticed their light was redshifting. This is where the wavelength of a blue light stretches and the blue light starts turning red. This was only possible if the galaxies were moving away from each other, with the far distance galaxy moving faster than light. But remember, only massless particle can move faster than light. And if the galaxies were moving away from each other, this meant that once they were together before the universe started expanding. This gave evidence to the Big Bang theory, which states that all the energy and matter in the observable universe was at a cosmic singularity that was very hot and dense. All matter and energy was compressed to a size of an atom until it could not withstand the pressure and exploded, scattering quarks which later cooled, and gravity started pulling them together, forming atoms, then molecules, and later complex matter such as planets and stars. From our previous episode on gravity is just the entropy of superluminal dark matter particles. We saw the dark matter particles helps in the formation of stars and planets, as its entropy pulls nebula together, creating planets and stars. From this, I looked at another angle where in my theory it suggests that there was one big massive visible matter and space full of dark matter particles. The big massive visible matter had displaced a huge amount of dark energy, creating enormous entropy around it. This infinite pressure and density created by the entropy caused the big massive visible matter to explode. Dark matter particles pushed the exploded particles together, forming huge spheres of visible matter. This is evident by the very many ripples of the Big Bang measured in space. They indicate that there are multiple Big Bangs, which fully support my theory. The Big Bangs continue happening up to today as we observe them as hypernovas, supernovas, and novas of stars. We can say a supernova is just a smaller version of the Big Bang, where a star explodes and scatters quarks. Thank you, and continue supporting the channel by subscription, and also don't forget to leave comments in the comment section.